Hello everyone, davidakhoa here with my wife, Evie. And we just got a new juicer for the house. And where did we get it from?
Best Buy.
Best Buy. It was on sale. And today we're going to do an unboxing and test if it works out.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, CuisinArt model CSJ 300. Okay. EasyClean filters. You can rinse it off in seconds. Fresh and healthy and homemade. Fruits and vegetables retain full flavor and nutrients. Effortless. Quickly and easily press fresh juices and non-dairy milk. No mesh, no mess. Mesh-free filter system. Okay. Up here says the same thing. On the side here. Efficient extraction. Fruits and vegetables retain full flavor. Smooth operation. Simple to use features. Okay. CuisinArt. More juice, more flavor, more nutrients. So you can use pressed juices, refreshing tonics, alternative milks. Okay. All right, let's give this, let's open this up. Okay. So we got the instructions, cords. I think we need to take all this stuff out. There's a toothbrush in here too. I've taken all this out so far. Here's the main unit. And okay, hang on, I need two hands for this.
Okay.
Okay, CuisinArt instruction and recipe booklet. Important safeguards. Know the parts that you're given. Assembly instructions. Let's go. Yeah, it's fully set up. Look at what a beauty of a machine it is. Now time to look for some fruits and vegetables to grind inside of it. Look at this beautiful watermelon that we got at Kroger. We're gonna cut it right now. Oh, we need to open this.
Đúng rồi, từ từ, sáng thêm chút xíu nữa đi.
The juices, eh? The juices.
Đó, nó quay chậm chậm á, nó nghiền xuống á. Thấy không? Bây giờ anh muốn uống thêm chanh á, anh muốn uống thêm lemon á, là bỏ thêm một chút lemon vô. Anh muốn bỏ mint á, bỏ xíu một lá mint vô. Muốn uống mint không?
This one's stuck, Em. It's not going down.
Rồi, đây nè, thắt ra nha. Muốn reverse, thử reverse nha. Oh my god. Reverse là chưa kín lại rồi.
Reverse ra luôn.
Reverse là ra luôn. Vậy cái máy này chưa có good lắm rồi. Reverse là bị out ra luôn. Dù là mình đã lóc kín lại rồi, thấy không? Nè, lóc vào nha.
It's locked.
Khô không? It's dry không?
Go again.
No, it's dry rồi. Good. Thử nha.
Let's go again.
Biết tại sao nó hâu lại vậy không? This one nó tại sao nó có hâu nè, biết không? You know why? Can you guess?
Pressure.
No. Để ví dụ như anh vừa uống nước cà rốt là nước cam luôn á thì anh làm sao? Cái one là Mister thì mày nó mix canh luôn.
Oh, mix it in here.
Dạ anh muốn lemon không? Em bắt thêm một lát lemon cho anh nha.
How about we just go with straight watermelon juice?
Ok.
I think we need this. It pushes it down.
Đúng rồi.
Uh-oh. Overflow.
Ra này.
Wow. Thank you. Look at that. This is watermelon with cherries.
Watermelon.
Watermelon?
Cherry.
Watermelon with cherries. Or just cherries.
Cherry. Ngon. Ngon ngon ngon.
Grapes. Everything you can throw in there.
Em được củ cà rốt luôn không?
It's cutting it.
Cái này á, nếu như mà anh không muốn nó anh thấy nó còn nhiều nước quá, anh đậy nó lại và để nó quay cho nó nhiều lên. Thấy không? Anh đậy nó lại thì nó quay cho nó nhiều.
The whole carrot's gone.